we will discuss about the concept of time. We all know that our earth rotates from west to east. From west to east. This is the way of rotation of our earth. Due to the rotation of the earth, we can experience the appearance of days and nights. Which surface of the earth come in front of the sun, there we experience daytime, and which surface of the earth come opposite direction to the sun, experience night time. Then how this time was counted in the period of ancient time? Because there was no advanced clocks to see the time. So these people were dependent on the nature. They were observing several things which were happening in the nature, and they were trying to know what is the time. Just like here you can see the figure, that is the Ghatika Prabha. That is the Ghatika Prabha, means that was used to see the time, how much day is remaining. But today we are using the advanced watch and clocks in our houses. So my dear student, these are the instruments or objects which are helpful to us to know the time. But here we will understand what is the local time. Just like I told you the example, our earth rotates from west to east, and there are some imaginary lines on the earth's surface. The lines run from north to south are called longitudes. These are the longitudes which are most important to see the time of a place, because on each longitude we can experience a different time. For example, we will consider this longitude, and which countries are lying under this longitude. For example, here is a country, we will give the name India. And for example, on this longitude in the northern pole there is another country. We will consider, for example, America. Okay. So if these two countries are located on the same longitude, then the time will be same for these two countries. This is just simply the example. USA's location is different and India's location is different. Okay. If two countries are located at the one means same longitude, then the time will remain same for these both countries. Why this will happen? Because you can see that the sun rays are falling there directly, and these longitudes means this longitude is coming in front of the sun at the same time. That's why there will be the same time. There are total 360 degrees on the earth. We all know that our earth is spherical. That's why each circle has 360 degrees. So there are 360 longitudes on the earth surface. Each degree carry one longitude. So on this longitude there will be the different time. Today we are understanding the local time. Okay. So what is the local time? Here you can see the definition. The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as the local time. The time of a place is decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as the local time. Means the location of the place is the most important to understand the local time. For example, we are staying at this place. At that time, we can see the sun directly on the north of the place. It means that there is the noon time. Is it? So this place experiences the sun in the sky at that time, which time is there, that is the local time for that place. The second concept is the standard time. My dear student, to understand the small area, we can use this concept of the local time. But any country has a large area, on that time we have the problem in the local time. We will take the example of our country India. You can see that, for example, this is Mumbai. What is this? Mumbai. And this is Kolkata. Mumbai and Kolkata. Kolkata is in West Bengal, Mumbai is in Maharashtra. So there is a distance and there are some longitudes also which passes between these two different places. So my dear student, there is a large distance among these two places. That's why Mumbai and Kolkata can experience two different local times. Now see, Kolkata is located toward the east of Mumbai and Mumbai is located toward the west of our country. So which city will face the sun first? Obviously Kolkata will face the sun first, then Mumbai. So first here morning will be happened. This will be the sunrise, and after some period of time Mumbai will come in front of the sun and there will be sunrise. There is 2 hours lag between these two places. If here is the sunrise at 6 o'clock, then Mumbai will experience the sunrise after 2 hours, means at 8 o'clock. So it will create the confusion, it will create the problem, isn't it? How? Even after living in a single country, different places are facing different local time. So it will be difficult to say the actual time. It will create the confusion for us. That's why we feel the need to understand the broad concept of time, that is the standard time. Then what is the standard time? Our country is a vast country. It has a long distance in the east and west and north and south. Isn't that? 2933 km distance is there between these two places. And north south 3214 km. That's why we experience two different local times. To avoid this confusion, we need to understand the standard time. So from the middle part of India, one longitude is considered as the major longitude, that is longitude is also called meridian. So for India, there is the prime meridian, and on this prime meridian, which time will be? That will be applicable to the rest of the regions of our country. 66.5 degree is considered the prime meridian for us. My dear student, and on this prime meridian, this is considered as the Indian Standard Meridian. This is called Indian Standard Meridian. And which time will be here? This time will be applicable to the rest of the places. So here we will not create the confusion. In this video lecture, we have to simply understand the local time. So local time is the time of the place decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as the local time. It means that if the place is experiencing the sun at a particular time in the sky, so that time is the local time for that place. But this local time can create some type of confusion, just like Mumbai and Kolkata. That's why we need to understand the next concept, that is the standard time. So for today this was